हेलो एवरीवन, मैं हूं अंजलि क्यूरोस्कोप की आवाज़ और आप सुन रहे हैं क्यूरियोसिटी की कहानियाँ। बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस वीडियो, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल। API, the Application Programming Interface, a set of rules and protocols that allows one software application to interact with another. So basically, API is like the messenger. It takes the request, tells the system what to do, and then return the response back. So it's a set of rules that lets two apps or systems talk to each other. Whether your phone asks a weather app for the latest temperature, it sends an API request to a server. The server responds with the data, and then you see the sunny seas. So we have request and response. Request means get me the report card where you want something, and response is here is the report card where you get the result. So we have different kinds of methods for API: get, post, put, and delete. All these methods have different meanings. So for get method, it means to retrieve the data. For post, it means to send the data. For put, it means to update the existing data, and for delete, we remove the data. So we have specific URLs where an API accepts the request, and those known as endpoints, like HTTPS api.weather.com. This endpoint is used to retrieve the data for weather report card. So we use APIs are used in many areas. We use in web apps, mobile apps, IoT, and machine learning and artificial intelligence. So for web apps, we use as fetching data from databases or third-party services. Example, Google Maps. For mobile apps like logging in via Facebook or Google, so we use API for that there. For IoT, we use smartwatches sending data to your phone. So basically API used there. And for machine learning, artificial intelligence, integrating model via services like OpenAI or Google Cloud APIs. Now let us understand this example in our day-to-day life. For example, a restaurant. You are the customer, so you basically place the food order. So you here is basically the application, and when you order the food, that's the API request. When waiter comes and then takes your order to the kitchen. So waiter here is the API and kitchen is the server. Now kitchen will prepare the food. So basically your request is in process. And then the waiter bring your food back to you. That's the API response. So API is the act like a messenger. So waiter here is act like a messenger between you and the kitchen, because API like waiter takes the order from you and then give it back to the kitchen so that they will give the response in the form of food. So here is the example of real life example of API which we do in our day-to-day life. Now we have some different type of APIs like REST API, SOAP API, GraphQL or WebSocket. REST API is the most popular API which is uses like URL or JSON. SOAP is the older one. They uses XML and strict rules. GraphQL let you ask for exactly what you need. And WebSocket API is the real-time stuff like gaming and chats. So basically APIs are important and APIs are everywhere. When you log in with Google, there is an API. When you order food on Swiggy or Zomato, there is an API. When you check Instagram stories, yes, there is an API. So next time when you use your favorite app, remember APIs are the invisible messengers making everything work smoothly. तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आए हो तो शेयर ज़रूर करो, क्योंकि नॉलेज बांटने से बढ़ता है। और अगर तुम्हारे दिमाग में भी कोई क्यूरियोसिटी घूम रही हो तो कमेंट करो, मैं उस पर भी वीडियो बनाऊंगी। तब तक के लिए लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब।